Well, I'll show you this Colclough Ivy Leaf, very well known design by Colclough, one of their really well recognised and best-selling designs. This one dates from the Colclough Ridgway period of manufacture, which is 1954-55 through to around 65. Ivy Leaf was continued by the Dalton owners that took over the Colclough branding right the way up till 97. So a long period of production, but this is a nice early one. 9.5 inch. Nice central demarcated well here. Usually refer to these in saucer plates as wells for teacups and things to go on. This was never intended for use as a stand or a tureen stand. This was a cake or sandwich serving plate. Quite a deep sloping side, as you can see. 9.5 inches approximately, with this really deep scalloping rim, extending to just over 10 1/8, almost 10 1/4 inches between these eared handles, with some moulding detail on them, this little scroll detailing, not picked out by the gilt decoration, which just again follows around the rim. But look how bright this one is. Hardly a mark on it. Really nice clean glaze. Lovely underside as well, very, very clean. Colclough Ridgway period marks. Let's bring those right in for you to have a look at. See if I can get a focus on. There we go. Products of the Ridgway potteries, Colclough branding with the black crown, stylised pink Colclough. Typical production mark for, as we say, 1954, when Ridgway took over the Colclough branding, through to 1964-65, when they started to produce this with the Dalton marks and Ridgway pottery marks or signs on the factory mark were withdrawn. So a very pretty Colclough Ivy Leaf cake or sandwich plate, 1955 through to 1965, and in very fine near mint condition with excellent gilt and glaze. Available on the Vintage and Antiques website, and there'll be a link in the description below which will take you directly there. Do have a browse through. We've got lots of Colclough. It's one of the China brands we specialise in, and lots of Ivy Leaf from the early and later period productions in all the different shapes and sizes that were made by Colclough. Thanks for watching.